Basics of On-Page SEO and Topics of On-Page SEO. So come to basics of on-page SEO. So on-page SEO is the practice of improving the design, code, functionality and the navigation structure of the website to give users an easy to navigate and flawless user experience. A lot of things come under on-page optimization and here are the some very important of them. So what topics are come under SEO? First one keywords, second one content, third one page titles, fourth one meta description and fifth one meta tags, sixth one URL structure and seventh one headings and eighth one image optimization and ninth one redirections and last one site speed. Come to keywords. So keywords are the first thing that you should know even before starting the website development. Once you have keywords decided, you can easily use it as headings and content on the website. Keywords are the most important thing and according to your keywords, you need to write the content and make the headings. So keywords are the first thing that you should keep from the very beginning stage of website development and marketing. So next one, content. So content is a king of SEO. Content is always the king for every website and you should use the high quality and unique content on your website. The highly engaging your content is the higher chances that your website is visible on the first position on the first page of Google search results. Make sure you are using high quality and genuine content on your website and include your best keywords wisely within your content to improve the relevance of keywords with the best website. So next one, page titles. So page titles are very important of both the search engines and users. A relevant title makes it easy to understand for both the search engines and visitors. What kind of information the web page carries? Always use relevant and best performing keywords to create an attractive and appealing web page title. So next one, meta description. So meta descriptions are also an important factor and the description text acts as an advertised content to let users understand what information the web page serves. So this is a third most important thing that Google includes in snippet while displaying SERPs against a search term. Make sure to create an interactive description of use potential keywords and CTA. This will help you visitors to connect with you easily to avail of your services. Either we can improve the conversion and CTA by using this best practice. So next one, meta tags. So meta tags are HTML markups which is important for the website to make it more functional and to improve the SEO performance as well. So there are many meta tags available and some of them are necessary and from the rest you can choose according to your needs. So next one, URL structure. So URLs are the addresses of your web pages and always create user-friendly URLs which are easy to understand for the users and search engines both. A well-written URL is appreciated by Google and gets an extra ranking boost in SERPs. So try to use your primary keyword in your URL rather using numbers and symbols in the URLs. So also don't use underscores as a separator in URL. Use hyphen instead as a separator in URL. A well-written, neat and clean URL rank well and visible more in search engines against the relevant search terms. So next one, headings. Headings are also a useful part of website and use the headings gently within your website to describe your website in a proper way. Use your primary and other main keywords in the headings and try to follow the hierarchy of the headings tags. Try not using H1 and H2 tags more than its hierarchical limit or use it only when it is very compulsory. Headings are great to attract the user's eyes and Google pays attention to heading tags from H1 to H6. So next one, image optimization. So images are a great way to visualize your product and service to create engagement with your readers or visitors. Make sure to use relevant images with the appropriate sizes and file names. Don't forget to use an appropriate alt tags and a caption for your image. So alt tags are the most important SEO factor of the image optimization. So it comes up when due to some reasons the images are unable to load. Use high quality and compressed images within the right dimension to keep it fit in the layout without disturbing the look of the website. So next one, redirections. There are many types of redirection codes available and you can use them efficiently to increase the SEO score of your website. So you need to figure where to use the 301 and 302 and 404 codes and a lot more. So make sure that you are using correct redirection code on the correct area, function or link in the website to optimize your website wisely. So next one, site speed. So site speed is also an important factor which can affect the SEO performance. If not wisely optimized, it's very natural that nobody wants to visit any website which takes more time to loading. So everyone prefers to visit the websites loading quickly. So make sure to optimize the loading time of your website and try to keep it less than 3 seconds.